Minnie Dlamini sparks pregnancy rumor again. Minnie Dlamini's cryptic tweet about an announcement has Twitter guessing. TV personality Minnie Dlamini, aka Mrs. Jones, has once again sent the rumor mill into a frenzy with speculation that she's pregnant. These pesky rumors have been doing the rounds for the past few weeks, and it seems to be a topic fans are stuck on. Minnie, who married the man of her dreams, Quinton Jones, in a fairy tale wedding earlier this year, has had quite a busy year, both personally and professionally. So when she took to Twitter to tease fans with a cryptic message about an upcoming announcement, fans were all ears. Even though the announcement could be about anything, fans instantly jumped to conclusions once again that she and Quinton are expecting a bundle of joy. This after Minnie shut down the rumors 2 weeks ago, telling fans she had just gained weight. But that doesn't mean starting a family isn't part of the plan. Speaking to TBO Touch on Touch HD last month, Minnie said she could not wait to start a family. "I can't wait to start a family. We know it will all happen in due time. We aren't in a rush, but we can't wait to start a family," she said. Twitter wasn't even willing to wait for the announcement from Minnie. They jumped into her mentions with their answers ready,